Hey guys, Alpo from Traded TV. I'm just going to do a quick 4-minute video. I'm going to keep it really quick. So let's jump on the weekly time frame. I'm just going to go over 3 coins in particular: BTC, ICX, and WAN. They look really good. Good market structure on the higher and lower time frames. Let's just hide this volume profile. First of all, guys, obviously you want to mark your weekly level. If you're not getting into the habit of marking your higher time frames, guys, you're going to have a directional bias, okay? You've got to be really smart when it comes to this. Higher time frames don't really lie, okay? If we just look at the general market structure, higher high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Look what we've done here, guys. The bulls have protected this level really well. So we've made the first higher low of the year at yearly lows, okay? If this isn't a sign that we're heading into a little bit of a bullish run, I don't know what is, okay? So basically, I'm pretty bullish at this point just because of that higher time frame bias. So this low is higher than this low. It's the first one we've had all year, and it looks really good in my opinion. So let's just jump on the 8 hour. We'll get rid of this triangle. I want to keep this really short, guys. There's our yearly lows, okay? You've got to mark them out because there we have our higher low, all right? We haven't touched these yearly lows for about 2 months, okay? So what we're doing, guys, is we're jumping here. We're grabbing our horizontal line. We're marking out the 6-8 level, okay? It's really apparent. There's a lot of resistance here, okay? That's why we had our inverse head and shoulders. So what we're doing now, guys, is we're looking for another level that's playing a big part in why Bitcoin isn't running. So you're looking for this level here. We've got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch. I failed to break. We've collected some stops. We've come down and we've continued to make a higher high here, guys. So I'm pretty bullish at the moment. If we just zoom in, grab a little trend line and you come up with it. Look at that, guys. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Are we still going to come down, guys? I don't know because we're protecting. It's low weekend volumes and we're still protecting this previous resistance level. I'm long at the moment at 611. Only low leverage, guys, but I'm pretty bullish that we're going to start heading up and testing these, sort of 7K mark up here. I don't see why not. The weekly looks strong. That's a really nice level, that 7K, so I'll be looking to collect those. If we look at the volume profile, guys, really interesting stuff. So look at how many shorts are trapped at that level. Now, what this is showing is obviously it's a price-based volume indicator. It's not a time-based. So time-based would be from the bottom here. This is sort of showing you at 6.4 the amount of sellers versus buyers. There's a lot of shorts trapped at that level. I don't know why you'd be short at that level, but it just goes to show that we've been squeezing those shorts and continuing up here, guys. You can tell there's not much selling pressure here compared to buying. So I am pretty bullish into the coming week when volumes do open up and those big institutions do come in. So let's just jump to ICX at the moment. It's one I really like. So what we've got here, guys, okay, we've had so I jumped on the weekly, the daily, drew our daily level.
Open the world of music, a new streaming service.
Sorry, guys.
The official...
We'll get rid of the volume profile. So what we've got here, guys, that's our daily. This is our 8 hour, okay? Market structure looks beautiful here. We've come down. We've got a huge downtrend, okay? It's just a falling market. We've got a little double bottom here, okay? So if we mark this level, that is a big weekly level. Okay, we've got that double bottom here. We've rallied. We've made a higher high. So this high is higher than that previous swing high. We've come down. We've made a swing low, okay? That's our swing low because price pulled away from the high and then rallied again. So if we mark our swing low, guys, that swing low there is nice. As soon as the swing low happened, guys, we broke out of that little falling formation and we made the higher high and we continued to make the higher high here. What I'm looking for now, guys, is a nice little trade. So I'm looking to pull back, guys, test that previous resistance, okay, because it's previous support resistance. So we're coming down, we're bouncing off here, and I'm looking for a 4-to-1 trade, all right? You don't want to have your stop too tight on this, guys. You want to have it below your technical level. So these previous highs here, you'd obviously want your stop below. A lot of players will get wicked out when they're trying to keep it really tight. At a 2% loss, all right? Don't put your emotions onto the market, all right? The market doesn't give a shit where your stop is. Just don't trade your P&L. That's a good one from Trader Dante. So if we jump on Icon, I'll be looking for a pullback there. One more coin, guys, would be WAN chain. So, looks great. Really similar to ICX, guys, okay? Change in market structure. We had a falling sort of flag formation, which is continuation pattern. We popped up. We've made the higher high here, guys. All right. We've got 3 hours till the close, but on the 4 hour, look how bullish we are here, guys. We've come up to that level. Okay. If we come back and retest that as support and head back up, that's a 10% trade. All right. So these are the coins to be looking at. I like this curve here. It just shows that there's a bit of accumulation. We've got some distribution here and then another push, all right? What we're looking for is a pullback and then another push. If we break this level here at 2,000 Satoshis, there's not much till, up at this level at 2.3. So if you're buying on that support level and you're holding till 2.3, that's a 28% reward, okay? Just for being patient and trading something with a really low risk, guys. 2.8% loss. If you did get stopped out here, guys, you'd wanna regather down here, okay? The reason you want to regather down here is because anything below that, your market structure's changed, okay? So you've got another entry here anyway. If you do enter there, all right, you want your stops just below that previous swing low. You don't want to force your stop loss on anything. Yeah, you want to be below that 100%. So your stop is 6%. This is more of you want to know what your position size and your risk is, all right? Don't trade your stop loss. Just study what risk is, okay? Risk isn't what you're actually putting on the trade. Risk is what you can afford to lose, all right? So you got to figure out on each trade what do you want to risk on each trade, and that will determine your position size and your stop losses, all right? That's about it, guys. I just want to show you a few coins. Give a comment, like, and subscribe. First of all, I will be doing a little bit more videos. I'm just flat out at the moment with everything. I'm doing more Forex trading. I'm just working on my own sort of stuff at the moment, but I'm still going to try to provide value. So thanks for everything. If you need anything from me, let me know. I'm available on Twitter, Facebook, Telegram. So hit me up anytime. Thanks, guys.